natin kung ano ang supply chain financing at kung paano ito makatutulong sa inyong mga negosyo. Pero bago yan, simulan muna natin ang ilang tips kung paano mas magiging finance ready ang isang pagnenegosyo. A healthy cash flow is a business lifeline. Mahalaga po na may funds kayo na naka-allot for daily operations, for salaries and wages, for unexpected purchases, and of course, for emergency funds. For every expense sa negosyo, dapat may allocated fund. Transparency in a business is a must. As an entrepreneur, dapat alam ninyo ang bawat pasok at labas ng pera. Keeping records clean and updated is key to knowing kung kumusta ang negosyo ninyo, kung may problema ba, at kung saan ba dapat mag-invest. A business bank account helps keep your funds secure. Bank accounts encourage you to build a discipline in spending and managing your finances. Ito rin po ang susi para makapag-build ng magandang relationship sa inyong mga bangko. After securing a business bank account, it's time to build a good credit score. Pwedeng gumamit ng mga digital banking applications at mag-apply para sa small credit lines. Siguraduhin ding magbayad on time para unti-unting mabuild ang inyong credit score. These are just some of the few useful tips that can keep your negosyo going.